So many patients come in here wondering about full arch restorations, and they have questions, and one of them is, will it hurt? Well, the way that we do it here is fully guided. We can use an anesthesiologist that will come in, put them to sleep, and be in and out within 3 hours. The pain is very minimal because you get the full arch of teeth the same day. The healing is much quicker than if you had to be in a temporary denture, uncomfortable, the teeth would move around. But when you walk in, your teeth are removed, the implants are placed, and you get the permanent restoration the same day. So patients that have had full arch restorations, they are so thankful that they did it. It wasn't painful, their smile is beautiful, they're back to form and function that they've never had and they didn't expect to have, and it's always better than what they thought it would be.